This is a face detection system. You can either mark your attendance either through face or else through finger. In this device, there are 1000 templates for the face and 10,000 templates for the finger. And here there is an option to tilt the camera as well. Now let's power on the device. This is a home screen. Now let's see how to register the user and how they will mark the attendance. Yeah, now click on the menu option, click on the user, give the ID. You can give any ID up to 7 digits. The ID is 963 and you can give your name as well. You can see a rectangular box. In that box the eyes need to be scanned.
Okay.
Yeah, the face is registered. Now you can also register your finger for the same user ID.
Okay.
Yeah, face and the finger both are registered. Yeah.
Okay.
Now you can see the time.
Verified.
It is 14:14.
Verified.
It means 2:14.
Verified.
Now you can see the attendance.
Verified. 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 Verified.
Now I will show the attendance here. Today's 27th. See, you can see the attendance. The organization ID, machine ID, and the username, and the ID is 963. And the time at 2:14:42 seconds, the attendance is been marked for the unknown user. You can edit and you can give the user's name. In this way, the attendance is marked. Thank you for watching.